I have another swap reveal, and this swap is from Sandra, and I am so excited because she used a Maggie Holmes collection, and this is a round trip, and it looks so pretty. Her suitcase is just adorable. So let me show you guys this beautiful card that she made, and she embossed this paper, and it looks so good. And it says the world is yours, and I think this is a note to her swap partner, but let me just double check that there's no instructions in here for me. Let's just see. Oh no, it is. This is for me. Okay. So it says, Lisa, thanks for hosting such a fun swap. I enjoyed crafting, except for the suitcase. LOL. It took me a few times, but I finally got it. Hope you enjoy your hostess gift. Crafty hugs, Sandra. Thank you, Sandra. And thank you for persevering. I know sometimes the 3D crafts can be hard. Oh, I'm so glad that this card is mine because it is so pretty. And I need to know the info about this embossing folder because it is to die for. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. So she has her swap goodies, and then she also has these. So these are her swap. This is her swap stuff. This is for me. I'm going to open up what's for me just in case there's some stuff in here that'll save us from opening the swap gifts. So I'm going to open what's in here for me, and this has my name on it. This is one of my favorite sheets from this collection, and look how cute this little airmail with the swan. Oh my word. And oh my gosh, I see something already that I love. Okay, so for me, she has, oh my gosh, so much stuff, you guys. Okay, so we have all the goodies, all the Trappy goodies. First of all, look at this bag that says good vibes. I love it, and I'm obsessed with bags. So thank you, thank you. We have this Dove lotion, which is so good. This is so good. You guys should try this. And then a hand sanitizer, which I always need. This all-purpose Cocoa Glow. Love this. I love lotion. I'm always putting on lotion, and I'm always using hand sanitizer, so those are perfect. And then we have these 2 masks that are so cute. This one is a foot mask. Oh, and this one is a face mask. Oh, so nice. Thank you. Thank you. And then look how cute this little sticker patch is. That's like a little airplane. I love. And then we have a notebook here that's in the shape of a camera. This is so cute. This is adorable. I love this so much. Also, we have these 2 travel themed stickers. This is from Little Birdie. I haven't seen a Little Birdie thing in ages. Oh my gosh. And then this is La Petite, which is from Hobby Lobby. And this is what I saw that I was like, I see something I love. Cheez-Its. Thank you. Oh, and then these are eye masks. These are great. I don't know if I've ever had the Cheddar Jack ones though. Are these are different than the rec? Okay, I'm excited to try those. I'm very excited to try those. I'll probably try those right after. But this is what I saw. I'm like, I see something that I love. You guys, look. She made this for me. I love this so much. It is so nice. Girl, we need a tutorial. Look how cute. Look at this. She even put one of these little adhesive pockets, and look, it has 2 different notebooks inside. Oh my gosh, you guys! And she used the paper to make it. Oh my gosh, this little sticker is just so cute. And look at this. It's an envelope. Oh my gosh, it's so stinking cute. It is so cute. I want to put it back. This is okay. I'm gonna just put this to the side because you guys know I'll get obsessed. Oh, I have no chill. Look at this. Oh, this is cute. You can put like a 3x4, like you can like mount a paper on there. That's so cute. I need to get some stamps that are like that so that when I make my mini albums. And then look at this one. I love this so much. Look, it says let's go. And I can refill this when I'm done. This is so cute. Thank you so much for making this for me. This is beautiful. I love this so much. I really do. I'm so like excited about this. I love notebooks, and I love travelers notebooks. This is, and I was saying on one of the other things that this is my favorite paper. Like this is my favorite page from the round trip collection. So to have like a traveler's notebook with it, I'm so excited. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now let's get into the swap. So I have her swap box right here. And look how pretty it is. She used this luggage die cut here, which she like made so stinking cute on here. She layered it on top of some ephemera from the collection. And this is like a huge, like kind of like a ticket or a luggage tag. So cute, you guys. And this round trip is such a fun collection. So let's open this up and get into this. Oh my gosh. Okay, look at this. Look how pretty. My favorite page again. But you guys, look at this gorgeousness. Now, Sandra, I know that Ebony, who's the rosette guru, makes these amazing, beautiful, stunningly gorgeous rosettes. Did you make these or did she make these? Because these are stunning. They are beautiful. If you made them, brava. If you bought them, thank you for your generosity, because I know it's, number one, it's really hard to get your hands on some of these from Ebony, and for you to share them in your swap is just so sweet. Oh my goodness gracious, this is so beautiful. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna have to study this. I love these. I have made these, but they're so much work. So, and these are like perfect. I mean, gosh, these are so pretty, you guys. Oh, okay. And then she gave you some stickers, also some travel stickers. And then this one that says, meet me at the beach. So cute. All right. So we have a little shaker mix here. Very cute. And then we have some die cut words, which are just the absolute best because they're so hard, and she backed them on foam too. So this one says pool day, and she used paper from the collection. This one says beach life, vacation mode, tropical vibes, summer lovin', and ocean air, salty hair. So nice. Love that. I love these hollow bags. So cute, 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 cute. Oh, look at the Mendex. Okay, wait, look how cute this is, you guys. Look, so she has this chipboard bus from Round Trip the collection, and then she made this little ticket memory decks. She used some ephemera, these flowers, this let's go, the star and heart are so cute, and this little like arrow. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm gonna open this and just to see if she put any info on the back, so we can know more about her, but if not, it's okay. Let's see. Okay, so so Sandra has a YouTube. It's Crafted by Sandra. And then her IG is SVGs11. And that's on Instagram. But I'll put all of that stuff in the description bar. And her birthday is October 11th. So her birthday is coming up. You have a birthday coming up. I love this. So cute. Okay, and then we have these beautiful bag toppers. So pretty. I love these little like epoxy things that you use, and there's another one on the back. Oh my gosh, look at this butterfly flag that says see the world. I love this. This paper is so pretty. Oh my word. I love this. This is one of my favorite, not my ultimate favorite, but one of my favorite Maggie Holmes collections. Look at these hats. This one is so cute. I would wear this hat in real life. It's so cute. I love this. And then of course we have our motel keys. So cute. These cabochons are adorable on the flowers. And then look at the paper in the background, guys. This paper is so pretty. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh, look at this ticket. I don't think I have this die and I need it. Okay, Sandra, send us the deets. I need this. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. So this is what she put on the front. Remember, like it, no, wait, I feel like I saw this somewhere else. Did I see this somewhere else? Or maybe someone else in another swap used this and it was super long. Or I might be crazy. I might also be crazy. This is so cute. I need the details on this. Need. And look how it embosses the little thing on there. That's so cute. And I love the tickets in the admit one. And look how it says transportation services. In and out. This is your ticket. So cute. Oh my gosh. And then she made you a beautiful pen. I love this camera. I've seen this a few times and it's so cute every single time. And so I'm gonna package all of this up because there are lots more goodies to open. So I will be right back. Okay, so I am back, and so she also included one of these notebooks for you and this light chipboard embellishment. This is so cute. So you can use these together or separate. You probably could just like snap that off and use them. And this is P13. Yes, so cool. Okay, and then also look, she made you one too, and yours has the buses, these really cute buses on the front. And then this is the inside. One of the notebooks looks like that, and one looks like this. And then she still has the pockets in the back. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh, such a good job. My goodness. And then you got a bead, kind of like a little trinket jar full of goodies. Like I see these amazing. I love these ice cream beads. I don't have any, and but I see them all the time. They're so pretty and well made, and all kind of charms. And this amazing bead here too, and just like this little hat. So cute. You got like a whole trinket jar. And then these are the only items that are in this bag that were different. You have this adorable little hand sanitizer, like the wipes. And then you have some sunscreen, always need that. Some sunscreen lip balm. This is very important and a lot of times forgotten. And then these micellar like makeup remover wipes. So that is what is different in yours. So I know, Sandra, your swap partner is going to be thrilled. Thank you so much for joining another one of my swaps. You're so talented. I know Sandra's a newer crafter, but you are like amazing. You cannot tell at all whatsoever. So thank you so much for doing another one of my swaps. And you guys make sure you head over to Sandra's YouTube channel. It's right in the title. Click on it, subscribe, easy. And also head over to her Instagram. It'll be linked in the description bar. And then every single video that has happened in this entire challenge will be in the challenge playlist, which is all the way at the bottom when you click on the description bar. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all you wonderful ladies for participating, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.